Hey guys, Mr. Stooksbury here. So wanted to catch you at the end of the day. It is about 4:40. Still sitting here in my classroom trying to process everything that happened today. Um, some things that I loved. I loved seeing the faces of our students, virtually or in person. What a great day. At the end of the day, we had some issues this morning with some logins and some links and things like that went wrong. I think I have figured that out for my classes anyway, why they weren't working. So I'm hoping that tomorrow when you log back in, it will be easier to understand and things will be in the right place. I had pasted some links, I think, the wrong way, but I think I've got that fixed. Now, if tomorrow it doesn't work again, then we'll just have to try again. I'm going to tell you guys the same thing that I tell your students every day, and that is that it's okay to fail over and over again as long as every time you go better. As long as every time we try to find a way to be better at what we're doing. So I'm going to be better tomorrow than I was today. I apologize for the frustration that some of you guys felt, I'm sure, as you're sitting at home and you want your child to be a part of what's going on, and we couldn't make it happen because the link didn't work and things like that. So thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for just giving us a little bit of grace as we try to get this figured out. Miss Yarber has recorded a video that I'm also going to put in this email that walks through how to log in correctly and how to be in the right spot, because we have to do things a certain way to make sure that you're in our Zoom or our team meeting as a member and not as a guest. That was some of our issue that we had today, was some people ended up in there as guests, and that made it difficult. So we want you to be a team member on the team. We think we've got some of that stuff figured out, some login things, some navigation things. I'm probably going to send you a video like this every day for a little bit until we get everything figured out. But remember, no matter what, you've got my mobile number. Those of you that were texting me this morning, that was exactly what you needed to do. Mr. Stooks, I can't get in. And then we'll figure it out. It may take us a minute, but we will figure it out. So watch Miss Yarber's video that I put in this email as well. And if you need anything from me tonight, send me a text, ask me questions. I'll do the best I can. We're going to work on login stuff tomorrow. We're going to work on how to get the correct passwords and usernames and all that stuff together and how to get logged in that way. We're also going to be working on our virtual orientation tomorrow. Every student is going to do that, whether they're in person or virtual. So that if something happens and we all become virtual at some point, that you'll be ready, your student will be ready. Guys, I thank you so much. Thank you so much for trusting us with your kids in person and virtually. Thank you so much for your patience. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out, because we just want to be here for you and your student to help you and to help you guys both get what you need to out of Vine Middle School and out of your education this year. We're so thankful. We are so thankful for this opportunity. We're trying as hard as we can over here, I promise. We're going to make some more mistakes. We made some today. We're going to make some more tomorrow. I promise you that. But we're going to get through it, and we're going to be available. Okay? I am available. If you need me, I am available. All right. Guys, y'all have a good evening. Hopefully you won't hear from me again till tomorrow night. Hopefully you won't need me during the day tomorrow, and we can just kind of keep moving forward. But if something happens and you can't get logged in, you call me. You text me. We'll get it figured out. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good evening. See you.